Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of the second haul. I did a previous haul. Basically, I had 3 different like Dollar Tree trips and it had a bunch of stuff, so I separated it into 2 hauls. So this is kind of like the beauty and personal care section. The other one was like household and random items. I will have that as well as my whole Dollar Tree haul playlist linked down below. That way you can binge watch more videos like this. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for coming on back. And if you are new, I do hope you will become one of my Dollar Divas. This makeup look is using all Dollar Tree makeup. I'll have it linked down below as well if you're interested. It's a chatty get ready with me, so you'll hear me, chatter on and on. But if you're interested, it is down there, linked below. And yeah, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So I do have a lot of makeup. I'll save that to the end, and of course we'll be swatching everything I see fit. But I wanted to get some like skincare kind of stuff out of the way. So it was time. You know what time it was? Time to get rid of my puffs. So I always buy these at the Dollar Tree for myself. I have a pink one right now that I don't know how old it is. It's a few months old. Time to get a new one. I liked this color. This is the April Bath and Shower, and just a nice sponge. The only thing I don't like about these ones right now is this like ribbon. I find that after I've washed, it's really hard for me to find the ribbon and hang it back up. I like when they're a little bit more of like a rope. But this is what they're carrying right now, but these are really good. I feel like the quality has gone way up in the last couple years with these sponges. So yeah, it was something that I used to think was kind of cheap-ish at the Dollar Tree, and now I feel they're every bit as good as the ones that I've purchased at like the drugstore and paid at least double for. So I always buy these for myself from the Dollar Tree. So it was time. So I hauled some wipes from this brand a little while back, and I found some more. This is the Amy Naturally Kind brand. It's you get 25 wipes. These ones are formulated for all skin types, including sensitive. So they come in this like white packaging. It says that they, remove makeup, hydrate your skin. They're infused with provitamin B5, and they're dermatologist approved. Now the ones that I found before, I have a little Ziploc baggie because I kind of ripped the package. These ones are formulated for normal to dry skin and also sensitive skin. So they come in more of like a blue pack, and these come in a white pack. So I'm very excited to try because I have not actually tried them yet. So I wanted to pick up some more because I'm sure I will like them. So I picked up 2 packs of those. They last me a long time because I just don't use them a whole lot. Then I found another Amy product. I've got like a cleanser, I've got a toner, I've got a beauty balm, which is awesome. This is the Soft and Smooth Exfoliating Polish. It's for normal, dry, and sensitive skin. It's got almond milk and safflower, buffs away dead skin cells, softens and smooths, dermatologist approved, 95% natural, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. Apparently it's just very good and natural. It comes in this packaging, which is really very cute. So it's like a scrub. So it's kind of white and creamy. Oh yeah. Not really any scent. Very, very, very light scent, if any. Doesn't seem to be overly abrasive. I'm super excited to try that. Yeah, I love like good skincare stuff. You know me. I've been buying a lot of like Freeman masks lately. Don't know if I'll ever get to really use them as much as I like, but it's always my goal. So speaking of Freeman, they had this Ultra Healing Cream Mask, which left me intrigued. It's for dehydrated skin. It's got sunflower seed oil that plumps the skin and has almond oil, which restores. It's dermatologist tested, has no mineral oil, parabens, sulfates, and another word I don't know how to pronounce. It's for normal, dry, or dull skin. Here is what it looks like. Apparently you can use it like as a mask, or you could leave it on overnight. And you can also put it on your hands or elbows. You can use it twice a week or as often as needed. This is actually something, when I got back from vacation, this was something I really could have used. My skin is kind of since recovered, but I am still super excited to try this. Whenever I go on vacation with the sun and the water and the traveling, my skin will always get dry, especially like right here. But I can still use this, mind you. So I'm very excited to see. Okay, it is sealed, which is good. Doesn't seem to have a scent, and it's very rich, really smooth. Very excited to try that. I might try that today, as a matter of fact. I'm working on a Dollar Tree favorites and fails video, so I'm just trying to collect items and kind of, gather my opinions and all that stuff. So hopefully that will be coming real soon. Then I said in my previous haul, I mentioned that I was gonna maybe try to go back to like bar soap because I've just not been excited about body washes lately. So Dollar Tree has all kinds, but I wanted to give this one a try. This is by Pears. They had a different color and scent. I got the blue one. It's pure and gentle with mint extracts. It's this transparent soap. They had one that was like yellow or orange, and pure and gentle. It's made with natural oils and filtered for purity. So you can kind of smell it through the box, but I've been really excited to open it. I feel like, so it comes in a nice little, package. I feel like this brand used to be like a big deal back in the day. Am I wrong? Am I remembering that correctly? It smells really nice. I wanted something that smelled like really clean, and I think this is gonna do the trick. So I will definitely let you know what I think. And I'm gonna still use my puff, all that kind of thing. I don't know, I'm needing a change. You know how that is sometimes. So then I needed some more hand lotion, just like one for the house, like one to have in the living room. And this stuff here has never disappointed me. It's the Utterly Smooth Hand Cream. And I think this is the first time I've ever gotten hand cream. I think the other Utterly Smooth products I used to get were just lotions. Anyways, $1.25. You get a 2-ounce container. It absorbs fast without greasy residue. It's clinically proven to moisturize for 24 hours. It's for rough, dry skin. Let's try it. I remember this stuff being unscented. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think it has a scent at all, which I don't mind. My hands are a little dry at the moment. Oh yeah, unscented, feels legit. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a home run. A couple of beauty items, and then we'll move into some makeup. So I thought this was really cute. Of course, Dollar Tree has so many cute like hair products, and they had this in a couple different colors. I got this like tan shade. It's like a little jaw clip. Look at that. And it's kind of like this like matte plastic, and what really sold me too is it's got these little like teeth in it to hold your hair, which my hair has a problem sometimes because it's kind of fine. And usually when I would use plastic jaw clips like this, I like the ones that have like the rubber inside, or the metal ones. Like this one here is like my favorite, and I got this at the Dollar Tree last year. But I also like the ones, I don't know what brand they were, but they were small. I kind of need a little bit of a smaller one, and had like a rubber inside to really hold your hair. So I'll be curious to see how this one does. So I thought that was really cute. I think they had black, and I think they had like a gray. So super cute. And it feels really sturdy. Like it does not feel cheap. Like it definitely feels like something you would spend much more money on, And then these here, this is new. These are from Sassy Chic. It's a 3-piece mini sponge set. They're latex free. I bought some of these, I can't remember if it was by like Colors or Elf at Walmart, but they're these little mini blenders. And they come in 3 different shapes. The idea is like going around your eyes and around smaller areas. So yeah, I thought that was, like I said, Dollar Tree. They are stepping up for all your beauty needs. I mean, seriously, you guys. And there was like other stuff that I didn't even buy. I should have done a walkthrough. But Dollar Tree, they're not messing around these days. They're really not. And then now that I'm brunette, I've been blonde for so many years. To hold my hair pieces in, I use straight pins. But every now and again, you just need like a regular bobby pin. All of mine are blonde. That's no good, because I've been blonde for so many years. So Dollar Tree, unless you're blonde, like the Dollar Tree is a great place to buy your bobby pins, because they have black, and then they also have like the coppery color, which I have some of those. I could technically use them, but honestly, I think these are going to be a whole lot better in this color. You get 90 of them, you guys. Like, you can't beat this. You know what I mean? Like a big pack. Like I think like at like Walgreens, you're going to pay at least double for not even that many. And they're sturdy. Like they are a sturdy bobby pin. And I don't know if you know this side here, this like ridged side, is actually supposed to go down. That's like a little known thing. So yeah, that's in there. Those are really nice. So now I have a fresh new start as a brunette, and I get some brand new bobby pins. So like I said, super deal to get them at the Dollar Tree. And then I thought this was really cute. They had a couple different styles of these. I just thought this one was adorable. I just did. This little mirror right here, look at that. It's just got this little like polka dot pattern. They had one that had like, it was like a leopard print. They had like a black and white giraffe print. I just thought that one was adorable. So I picked it up. You can always use like a little mirror. And I've got a mirror, but it's like gigantic. I got this at Five Below. And it's great, but it's really, really, really big, which is really great. Sometimes you need that, but like sometimes you only need like a little mirror. And Dollar Tree used to sell my favorite mirror in the world. It was like that white one that I just showed you, but like a little bit smaller, but it was still big. And I have not found that mirror. I still have like one left. And it was just the perfect mirror. Everything else is smaller. And then I found that bigger one, like I said, Five Below. I missed that size mirror. It was like the perfect size. But anyways, I digress. But yeah, I just thought it was super cute. So now we've got makeup. I've got a few items. I wanted to pick up some more of this, and they now have it in black packaging. It's the Ioni 2-in-1 Everlasting Lash Glue Liner. So I just opened up a new one, and so I need another backup. I might have one more backup, but I don't see them all the time, and the black packaging is really nice. So yeah, picked up another one of those because they had quite a few of them yesterday at my Dollar Tree. I hauled this, I think it was my last haul. I went and got another one. I haven't even used it yet in a Get Ready With Me. I do have a testing new Dollar Tree makeup video coming up soon that I'll be doing for you. But I picked up some of this because it's swatched so beautifully. It's the B-Color Glitter Eyeshadow. And I'll have that haul link down below so you can see the swatch. I don't want to open up this one and swatch it. Just in case when I put it on my eye, if I don't care for it and I want to give it away or something like that. But I also don't want to open it up because I don't want it to dry out. So, but I wanted to get a second one of those because didn't know if it would go away, you know how Dollar Tree can be. Then I found this Les Mercier, I don't know if that's a brand. It kind of seems like it is. I don't know. From the Favorite Essentials collection, it's the Nude Smoky Shimmery Eyeshadows with an applicator. So anyways, it's just like this nude little like eyeshadow quad. So let's do some swatching. They're all like, none of them are super shimmery, but they're not matte. They are a little bit more on the shimmery side, but really pretty. So yeah, like I don't really need any more like eyeshadow or quads or anything, but I did see this and figured we would definitely give it a try. And then LA Colors had a couple of more of their duos. I'm actually wearing one of their duos that I bought last year on my eyes right now. They had a couple different ones this year. This one here is in pink and this one here is in purple. And what caught my eye about the pink one is that they're both mattes. And then the purple, there's a matte and then a kind of looks kind of like a shimmery-ish color. So let's go ahead and swatch them. So this is what the shades look like out of the packaging. In my experience, these are really very, very, very good. So those are the colors right there. Very pretty. And then here is the purple one as well. That's like a really pretty lilac color. Not really a shade you find everywhere either. So there are those. That darker shade is a little bit shimmery, nothing crazy. So definitely excited to try those in a future Get Ready With Me. And last but not least, I have one of these in like a silver shade and then they had gold. It's the Be Pure Glitter Liquid Shadow. So it comes in these little boxes, super cute. So it comes in this little package right here, like a lot of liquid glitters do. And it's really more of like a shimmer than a glitter. And y'all, let me tell you, that is gold. I think I'm gonna really like wearing this as like a brunette. Look at that. Is that not like super rich? That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. Super excited to try that. So like I said, I will have a testing new Dollar Tree makeup coming out soon, as well as the favorites and fails, kind of letting you know what I think of some of these products and some other like past products that I've hauled. Anyways, I will have my Dollar Tree haul playlist up here. That way you can binge watch more videos like this. If you did enjoy this video, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Also comment down below, let me know if you've seen or used any of these items and what you thought, and I will see you next time.